A potato stuffed flatbread sounds like the dream, so we decided to take inspiration from TikTok user Golden Gully and attempt to make Aloo Paratha. The dough is really simple, just combine whole wheat flour with salt and about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. After that has been combined, gradually add water until a smooth dough comes together. This is more about feel than anything else, so just go slowly until the dough is smooth. Add that to a bowl coated in olive oil and roll the dough around to cover it. This now needs to rest for about 24 hours. To make the filling, mash whole boiled and peeled potatoes, then season with fenugreek and mint leaves, freshly chopped cilantro, chopped green chilies, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, black caraway seeds, chili powder, and salt. Finally add some vegetable oil and mix everything together. Now tear off some of the rested dough, then roll into a ball on your counter and coat in flour. Press it flat and use a rolling pin to roll into a long, flat oval. Spread some softened butter all over the dough, then roll the dough over itself into a log. I believe this step helps to make flaky layers in the flatbread, but let us know in the comments if there's another reason. From here you have to roll the dough into a long cylinder, then coil it around itself in a spiral. You can now use the rolling pin again to roll it into a flat circle. Then it's all about adding the filling to the center and placing another circle of dough over the top. Crimp the edges together, then roll flat. This part we could definitely use some more practice. And if you have any tips on how to keep the filling from spilling out, please let us know. It all worked out though, we didn't lose too much filling, so we went ahead and fried in a hot pan with oil until both sides were crispy. What do you think? Was this a good first attempt? We'll definitely be trying again because practice makes perfect, and these still tasted pretty great. Click on one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.